Hello and welcome to Basic Shona Phrases 2, and we are dealing with introductions, kuzivana. The first question you would ask someone is, what is your name? In Shona you say, zita rako unonzi ani. So zita means name, and the answer to this is zita rangu ndi, which is my name is, and the name is Taurai. Or in short, you can just say ndinonzi Taurai. Pleased to meet you, you say ndafara nekukuziva. Where do you come from? Unobva kupi. Unobva kupi. To answer that, you say ndinobva kuZimbabwe, which means I come from Zimbabwe. Or you can put any particular country or town which you come from. How old are you? In Shona you say une makore mangani, and the answer to that is ndine makore makumi maviri. Makumi maviri means 20. So this is saying I am 20 years old. Who are you? Or who is it? The Shona equivalent is ndiwe ani. The answer to that question is ndini Taurai, or ndi Taurai in short, which is it's Taurai, or it's John if your name is John. Let's conclude with this conversation from the statements that we have learned above. Starting with the question there, zita rako unonzani? Ndinonzi Taurai. Unobva kupi? Ndinobva kuChegutu, which is a place. Une makore mangani? Ndine makore makumi maviri. That's it for now. Until the next lesson, keep well. Goodbye.